All right, so here we have a plumbing service call in Cambridge, Massachusetts. The client called us out to replace the filter on their kitchen sink, and while we were there, they brought up whole home filtration. That they weren't only addressing the water quality at the kitchen sink, but also addressing it throughout the entirety of the home. So, one of the things that we like to do when we're on a plumbing call, we do it complimentary. We like to check your plumbing pressure. This is like kind of doing a blood pressure check when you go to the doctor. Really, every time you have a plumber coming to your house, they should be checking this. And the reason I say every time is because you could have a change that occurs out in the street. So the plumbing distribution system is set up with booster pumps and stations like that to boost pressure and things of that nature. So when there are changes or projects going on, sometimes those pressures will fluctuate. So you might have had a plumber in your home a year ago, your pressure may have been fine, things change over time. So it's good to always just be checking this from time to time. You never want it above 80 psi. So 60 to 80 psi is the sweet spot. As you can see here, we're at 70 psi. So this is perfect. You especially don't want to have high pressure water blowing through a system because it'll lead to wear and tear of your plumbing fixtures, filter, anything that's attached to the system, right? That pressure is being put on those fixtures and appliances and equipment. There's a photo of the 3-stage filter, and some folks made some comments on the plumbing pipes here, so I'm just going to go to this next photo here. This house was reconstructed recently, and in that renovation, they put in this more modern plumbing water distribution system that they have here. So the red pipes are the hot water lines, and the blue pipes are the cold water lines, and these are actually shut-offs down here for every fixture. Now, something we like to do when we're in homes is we label them, so you can see the labels for all these different appliances down here. So we like to do that as well. So if we're coming to you for a service call, we do that complimentary. It's part of the visit. It helps you know what valves are what. Okay, so if you have an emergency occur, something freezes and breaks, or a fixture starts leaking and you're not able to isolate it, the valves will be tagged in the basement, allowing you to shut the water off and make things safe. Coming back here, this is the 3-stage filter that the client opted going in for. And what this is doing is it's protecting all of the appliances, all of the fixtures that are connected to the system. So not only are they going to have improved drinking water quality, but their appliances and everything connected are going to be protected from any sediment from the street, from coming into their home and messing with those appliances. Now, with these 3-stage setups, clients also talk about improvement in hair and skin because you shower in the water that's coming in from the street. So this is protecting that as well. This project was around $3,500. And so if you're interested in something like that, feel free to call, schedule an appointment. We're happy to come out, provide you with a quote, and of course, do the work for you. Again, Steve here with Akeem Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electric out of Watertown, Massachusetts. And hopefully you found some value in this video. Thanks. So that dispatcher, right? Now, from the dispatcher, then the technician is coming to you, and sometimes they're accompanied by an apprentice. Okay, so far we're 4 people that have directly serviced you. Okay, now if they need a part while we're there, guess what? We have a parts runner to deliver that part to them. Now, sometimes they will have to go to the supply house. Okay, but we do have that parts runner there to help move things along and keep things efficient. All right. Now that doesn't include all the people that are in the back office, all right, such as our service managers, our install managers, operations managers, general managers. Okay, cut that. We might not want to list all that. But then we have the folks in the background, the management team that never gets any of the credit. Okay, let's just be real. We're behind the scenes. I appreciate them. I love all our team members. They do a great job here at Akeem. But I say that because at the end of the day, when we've ran a call for you, okay, there are typically 5 to 6 people, about half a dozen people that are involved in that call, and that doesn't even include the marketing team that works so hard to get you to hear about us. Now, if you heard us from a referral or a family or friend member, or if you're an existing client, we appreciate you. Please continue coming back for business. We greatly appreciate it. And so hopefully this video helps give an understanding of what's involved in our pricing. Again, labor and materials is only a small part of it, and there's so many other things, literally hundreds of line items that goes into each and every one of our prices.